Hello and welcome to another video. We got to 500 subs. Thanks very much. 512 subscribers as I do this video. So here's a very tiny thank you to each and every one of you. If you haven't already subscribed and you like what you see in my videos, please subscribe because it does make a big difference. Now it doesn't give us any benefits as a channel being at 500 plus. One thing I have been able to do is get an Amazon affiliate account or an associate account, but more on that later. So this is a channel update and a little bit about the plans for the channel, but what I most want to do is find out what you like about the channel and what you don't like. So put some comments in the comment section down below on what you like and don't like about the channel and what you want to see in the future, please. So I've got a list of videos that I would like to make, including a series called What's in My Box. So this is a photo of the boxes I'm using to store all the stuff I've been collecting over the last few years since I started getting into mini discs. And what I'm planning to do is go through each box, maybe one or two at a time, and do videos on the contents of the boxes. So if you want to see some of that, leave a comment down below. And I've also got some other videos that I want to shoot, including, if people are interested, how to use various mini disc players or cassette players. I was watching a YouTube video the other day and someone was talking about, I think it was cassettes. How do you put music onto an old-fashioned audio cassette? And it strikes me that there's lots of people sort of 20 or 25 years old or less who have never actually done that, and they wouldn't know how, which way in to insert the cassette, for example. So what I'm thinking of doing is just explaining some of the basic features and how to use these devices. Now this is one I've been using quite a lot lately. It sits on my desk and it's quite good because it's a very lightweight mini disc player, and it's got a remote control which I've got here somewhere. And it's just like my current go-to player when I'm sitting at my desk doing my work or wandering around the house. So what I was thinking of doing is doing a video on how to use these things and what all the functions are on it. Maybe some other ones as well, some other mini disc players I've got. I've also got the, let's move this out of the way. So I've also got the normal videos like mini discs that I've recently bought and want to open. These are used, 2 packages of used mini discs. That's a very small box of 5 and a very big box of lots, including a container that they're all stored in. So let's put that down out of the way. And I also want to do a video about power, about the batteries that I use with my mini discs, like the original ones, the aftermarket ones. Quite often you buy a mini disc player or a portable one, it doesn't come with the original charger. So I've got a supply of aftermarket chargers that I've tested, so I want to go through those as well. And of course the standard AA batteries, which I buy in bulk because they're much cheaper that way. And that leads me back onto the Amazon affiliate account. So basically what an Amazon affiliate account does is it allows me to link to Amazon products in the description of the videos. And if you use that link, Amazon will pay me a small commission because I've recommended that product and you've gone off and bought it. But I'm not going to start recommending random things that aren't related to the channel. I'm only going to recommend things like bulk buy batteries, or aftermarket chargers that will work with mini discs, and there's a few other things like the cleaning materials I use, the cloths and stuff like that, stuff that you might find useful if you're into mini discs and cassettes, and you might just want to go off and buy the ones I use from Amazon. So I've had these for months and I don't use too many of these, but I ran out of AAA batteries the other day. So I've ordered these, and these will last me for months as well. Don't use too many of these. I like to use rechargeables, so I'll be recommending those at some point in the future as well. Now on that topic of Amazon, Amazon have got their Prime Day on the 21st and 22nd of June. And Amazon Prime Day is where you can get lots of deals on, lots of money off on loads of products, and lightning deals which are only available for a short time. But you have to be an Amazon Prime member to do it. Now Amazon Prime gives you free 1-day shipping on lots of items, free same-day shipping on lots of items, and these exclusive access to these exclusive events once or twice a year called Prime Day. It also gives you access to Amazon Prime Video, which is a lot of content they've bought from other content makers, but also some great series that they make themselves. So if you haven't already got an Amazon Prime account, then you can get a 30-day free trial using the link in the description. And if you've already got an Amazon Prime account, don't forget you can still take advantage of Prime Day, which is the 21st and 22nd of June 2021. That's the year in. So well worth checking out if you haven't already done so. Anyway, back to the main stuff on the channel. Prices of mini discs went up quite a lot. They've come down a little bit as well, and I like buying stuff, but I'm running out of space, as you'll see when I do the What's in My Box series. I've got loads of boxes and loads of stuff that I'm not using very often, and some things which I am using, like this. I use this daily, almost daily, whenever I need a mini disc player. This is the one I'm currently using. So in future videos, what I'll probably do is take a look at the features of mini discs. A lot of people won't have used mini discs, and they'll come across them on the channel and will want to know what the features are. So quite apart from the play and the fast forward, the skip back and forward, we'll also be looking at the remote controls and looking at the full features of mini disc players like this and some of the other ones I've got. This particular one, although I'm using it regularly, I'm probably going to sell this one because it's actually a Japan exclusive one, but I'll probably sell this one and some of my other used mini discs, which I don't need, because you saw from the box earlier on I've bought a load more just because there was some new music. I'm looking for new music to try, and so I've bought a load more used mini discs, but there's only a few of them have got music I think I'll enjoy. So what I might do is batch up some mini disc players and mini discs themselves that I'm not using, and sell those on eBay, and there'll be a link to the to my eBay items for sale in the description boxes as well. Right, I think that's it. So as always, subscribe, stay subscribed, and check the description box for some links. And most importantly, give me some comments about what you like and don't like about the channel, and I'll give you more of what you like and hopefully less of what you don't like. And if there's anything that I don't feature that you would like to see, please let me know. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.